Hey, what's up, BTT holder? This is an emergency update for all Bittorrent holder. You know what's the emergency? The emergency is that, my friends, you can see, my friends, this time BTT is completely losing from last 7 day, last 24 hour, last 1 hour. It's all changing. It's gonna be negative. So therefore, this is an emergency update. Because I never want, my friends, to my viewers, my subscriber are going losing now. So therefore, if you are my subscriber, then absolutely I will give you guarantee to you never lost. If you new on my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. I hope you never lost. So this time you can see, remember that the Bittorrent update is on the screen, and this time you can see here 0.003 USD dollar is the latest price. If we check out, my friend, the first chart result, that we understand, my brother, I predicate this coin, I share my opinion, my brother, so we understand, my brothers, to upcoming time the future is bright or not. So my friend, just only focus on this chart. I want to read, my friend, this chart to what they do. This time, my friend, you could see the first line touch the highest point, the second line touch the lowest point. So this chart is completely showing, my brothers, to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a very good jump now. My brother, if you know, the Bittorrent is completely increasing from last my friends 2 weeks, but my friend, you can see again from last 1 week, my friend, this coin is fails down. So I'm so very sad, my friends, too, they fails down. But you know, my brother, after a fail, every cryptocurrency is wake up and take a very huge jump now, same like that. So therefore I will tell you, my brothers, to after a fail they take a jump. So therefore I will tell you to, I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will move upward now, and the next week is going to be bright now. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do, my friends. But BTT holder, you need to hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, BTT holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.